Area of right triangles. To find the area of a right triangle, use the formula 1/2 times the base times the height. This formula is often written as 1/2 times b times h equals a. The triangle pictured here has a base of 10 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. So the base is 10 centimeters, the height is 8 centimeters. So we multiply 1/2 times 10 times 8 and we get 40 centimeters squared. Note that the area's unit is written as centimeters squared. This is said as square centimeters or centimeters squared. Find the area of each triangle. A. So we have area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. So we have area equals 1/2 times the base, and the base is 4 centimeters, and the height is also 4. The side is not always the height, okay? And the reason that this is the height is because this is a right triangle. That is the only reason why this is the height. The height is always perpendicular to the base. So we have 4 centimeters. So area equals 1/2 of 4 is 2 centimeters times 4 centimeters. So area equals 8 centimeters squared. B, we have 10 feet and 2 feet. Again, these are right triangles. So it does appear that the whole page is right triangles. So again, for a right triangle, the height is going to be the length of the side. But for other triangles, you would not necessarily have one of the sides be the height, because if it's on a slant, then it wouldn't be perpendicular to the base. So here we have area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. So if area equals 1/2 times 2 feet times 10 feet, area equals 1 foot times 10 feet. So area equals 10 feet squared. Problem C, area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Area equals 1/2 times 4 kilometers times 8 kilometers. Area equals 2 kilometers times 8 kilometers. Area equals 16 kilometers squared. Problem D, we have area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Area equals 1/2 times 3 inches times 6 inches. So area equals, I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 6, which is 3 inches, times 3 inches. So area equals 9 inches squared. E, area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Area equals 1/2 times 6 millimeters times 9 millimeters. Area equals 3 millimeters times 9 millimeters. So area equals 27 millimeters squared. F, area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Area equals 1/2 times 5 miles times 8 miles. Area equals, I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 8, which is 4 miles, times 5 miles. Area equals 20 miles squared. Okay, now we have a challenge. Find the area of the polygon below. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. So let's work with the top triangle first. All right, so area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Area equals 1/2 times 6 meters times 6 meters. Area equals 3 meters times 6 meters. Area equals 18 meters squared. And that's for one of the triangles of the kite. We have 2, so we're going to multiply that times 2. And that's a combined area of 36 meters squared. Now we're going to look at the bottom of our kite, and we have area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Area equals 1/2 times 6 meters times 9 meters. Area equals 3 meters times 9 meters. Area equals 27 meters squared. And that's for one of the triangles, and we have 2, so we're going to multiply that times 2, which is 54 meters squared. Now I have to add both of these together. So I'm going to add 54 meters squared plus 36 meters squared. And I get 90 meters squared for the total area of the kite.